Today, Goba's making some Southern Asian fusion.
I think we're having some shrimp and grits and cánh gà chiên ướp nước mắm.
Let's go see.
Well, from request, Jackson, he wants shrimp and grit. So I make grits right here. Easy. 1 cup of grits, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of water. And we're gonna do shrimp and grit later on. Doing the flat in the air fryer, and I try to do the drumstick on the deep fryer.
See which one you like better?
Yeah.
Are these double fried? You already fried one?
Yeah, I did. I did the light one already, so this is doing a double one. This just a little early. Decent.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got crispy.
Yeah.
Oh my.
How much was the hamburger?
30 something.
hamburger. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. $30.
Yeah, flaps in there. And put some in here. I'll the regular one for the girl.
Who ate it? You go to next week. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Camping.
Be camping?
Sweet, savory, crispy. Not too sweet.
Em đổ cái nước sôi vô không?
Missing garlic. That's like seafood magic. You can't go wrong with that. You gotta have Mr. Cajun right here.
Oh yeah.
Just tasted at the restaurant, and I was like, I think I can do this. It's a really good one.
So that's just flour?
Yeah. This recipe, not only for put on top of grits, heat up some pasta, put it in there. You have Cajun pasta.
That'd be really good.
Tastes like the one that what's the fancy place?
You're not talking about cheesecake?
Factory. I'm so sorry.
That's
Yeah. Oh yeah, fancy to a lot of people. I mean,
Cheesecake factory đâu có ngon gì đâu.
I know it's not that great, but they known for their Cajun pasta.
Goba doesn't care if she's canceled.
You think I worry about that?
Bà nội. Bà nội.
Snuggle monster.
Tao lát tao tắm rửa tao đi nằm luôn rồi.
More Cajun seasoning.
Xù.
That's the grits right there.
Oh my gosh.
Don't do that. Go wash your hand.
Good boy. I need to find.
Rồi coi cái tay kìa. Tay qua. Đầu tay kìa, tay kìa.
Đây.
A little bit of gumbo flavor. Some Cajun flavor.
How do the grits taste?
Buttery. Very nice.
Thank you. Definitely comes from food. If you're watching your waistline, this is not the recipe for you.
You only live one.
There's really not a dish you can't master. The bell pepper really balances it out.
Give that really nice sweet taste to it.
Yeah, add some depth. Good job, Goba.
Thank you.
That looks so good.
Yeah, đậu xanh nó hợp tay.
Phỏ tay hả?
Phổ tay.
Phỏ tay hả?
Đậu xanh phổ tay.
Things are blooming.
It's pretty.
It's really pretty.